Do your headlight look hazy or yellow? Looking like that, decreasing your visibility at night about 25%. I'm going to show you how you save hundreds of dollars. Instead of replace your new lamp, just restore the one you already have. On my DIY project today, I'm going to show you headlight restoration. Let's get started. For this project is simple. What we need for complete the job is the tape, the sandpaper. I use in this case two product. That one is for restore lamp that I bought in the auto part. The other one I'm using for finishing the wax on the vehicle. A bucket of water, a bucket with bottled water, and just prepare the area like that. So you're gonna sand it the lamp. What we're gonna do now, I'm gonna put water in here. One, I'm gonna sand it down. I've removed it. Try this process like 2 to 3 times. Remove all the smooth imperfections and remove all that hazy yellow out of the lamp. Okay, once you clean it, sand it down. Now we're going to use a product I'll show you. We're using for headlight restoration. You can buy in any auto part, or you can use, like I said, rolling compound. Start applying like this. They have two different ways. If you're doing this way, it take a little longer, but the results will be the same. The other way I can show you, if you have a buffer machine, you can do it with buffer machine, and it's quicker and it saves you time. But in the end, the results will be the same. You gotta be, like I say, if you have a drill, or you have like a buffer machine, you can do it better. The drill, they sold a kit on the auto parts store. It's way easy. This one, it probably take you from 15 minutes to 40 minutes, just depending on the condition that the line is. If it's very hazy and yellow, it'll take longer, but if it's not, it'll take a little less. If you can see the result, all I have to do is just remove the tape, and I can show you the other side. Just right now, I'm going to go ahead and show you the other side. You can't see very good because of the sun, but got to do that side now after I'm done with this one. You see the difference now. Let me go ahead and take the tape. See the way it looks like now? I recommend you go to any auto parts store and get the headlight lens restoration kit, and you can do it yourself like me. And instead of replace the whole lamp, save you $100 or dollars and a little bit of your time, and then you can get the result and you can save money. That's my next project. See you later.